Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English for Beginners. I am so happy to see you again. Today, we have a very important lesson. Do you know how to meet new people? Do you know what to say? In this video, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. We will read a story about a boy named Ken. He is shy, but he learns to be brave. Are you ready to learn? Let's jump into the lesson. Meet Ken. Ken is 22 years old. He is a university student. Ken is very smart. He knows many English words, and he gets good grades on his grammar tests. But Ken has a secret problem. He is shy. When he tries to speak English, his hands shake and his heart beats fast. He is afraid of making mistakes. Today, Ken is going to face his fear. Chapter 1. The Monster at the Door. Ken stood on the sidewalk. It was 7 p.m. on a Friday. In front of him was a green door. A small sign on the door said, "English Speaking Club, tonight." To Ken, the door looked like a scary monster. He was terrified. Ken was 22 years old. He could read English books very well. He knew grammar rules. But speaking? Speaking was his nightmare. He was afraid of making mistakes. He was afraid people would laugh at him. He touched the door handle, but he pulled his hand back.
Maybe I should go home.
He thought.
I can watch Netflix. It is safe.
He turned around to leave. Then he stopped. Ken said to himself,
No, I want to travel. I want to make friends. I must do this.
He took a deep breath.
1, 2, 3.
He opened the door and stepped inside. Chapter 2. A Sea of English. The room was warm and yellow. It smelled like coffee and cookies. There were about 20 people in the room. The noise hit Ken first. Everyone was talking at the same time. Blah, blah, blah. Wonderful. Blah, blah. Yesterday. It sounded like a fast river of words. Ken's heart beat fast. Thump, thump. Thump, thump. He stood near the wall. He felt invisible. He wanted to hide. Then, a woman with red hair saw him. She walked straight to him. She had a big, kind smile. "Hello there," she said. "Welcome to the club." Ken froze. This was it. The first test.
Hello.
Ken stuttered. "I'm Jessica," she said. "I organize the group. What is your name?" Ken took a moment. He remembered his practice.
My name is Ken.
He said clearly. "Nice to meet you, Ken. Come on, don't stand by the wall. Let's find you some friends." Chapter 3. The Circle of Strangers. Jessica led Ken to a group of people sitting on a comfortable sofa. "Excuse me, everyone," Jessica said. "This is a new member, Ken. Please be nice." Jessica smiled and walked away. Now, Ken was alone with 3 strangers. They looked at him.
Hi, Ken.
Said a woman with curly hair.
I am Maria. I am from Brazil.
Hey,
Said a man in a blue shirt.
I'm Tom from Canada.
And I am David.
Said a man with glasses.
I am from Germany.
Ken felt sweat on his hands. He needed to introduce himself properly. He remembered the 4 steps he learned on YouTube. Name, country, job, hobby. Step 1 and 2.
Hello.
Ken said. He forced himself to smile.
It is nice to meet you. I am from Japan. I live in Tokyo.
Step 3. Job.
Cool.
Tom said.
What do you do in Tokyo?
I am a university student.
Ken answered.
I study engineering.
Engineering?
Maria said.
Wow, You must be very smart. I am a graphic designer. I am terrible at math.
Everyone laughed. Ken laughed too. He felt his shoulders relax. Step 4. Hobby. Ken wanted to keep the conversation going. He looked at David. David had a camera on the table.
Is that your camera?
Ken asked.
Yes.
David said.
I love taking pictures. Me too.
Ken said excitedly.
My hobby is photography. I like taking pictures of old buildings.
Suddenly, the fear was gone. They were not strangers anymore. They were just people talking about cameras. Chapter 4. The Challenge at the Bar. After 30 minutes, Ken was thirsty.
I am going to get a drink.
He told the group. He walked to the bar. The bartender was a big man with a beard. He looked very busy. He was moving very fast.
Yeah? What can I get for you?
The bartender asked. He spoke incredibly fast. It sounded like one long word. What can I get for you? Ken panicked. He did not understand. He felt his face get hot. Ken stopped. He remembered a useful phrase.
I am sorry. Could you speak slowly, please?
Ken said. The bartender stopped. He looked at Ken and smiled.
Of course. What drink would you like?
Ah, thank you. I would like an orange juice, please.
Ken said.
Coming right up.
Ken took his juice. He felt proud. He did not run away. He asked for help, and he got his drink. This was a victory. Chapter 5. The Teacher. Ken walked back to his friends. On the way, he saw a girl sitting alone at a small table. She was looking at her phone. She looked sad and lonely. Ken remembered how he felt at the door. He wanted to help her. He walked to her table.
Hello.
Ken said. The girl looked up. She looked surprised.
Oh, hello.
My name is Ken. I am from Japan.
He said.
I am Sarah. I am from France.
She whispered.
Is this your first time?
Ken asked.
Yes, I am very nervous. My English is bad.
Sarah said. Ken smiled. He felt like a big brother.
Don't worry. My English is not perfect either, but you just need to try. Look, I will help you.
Ken said. Ken practiced the introduction with her.
Tell me, what is your job?
Ken asked.
I am a nurse.
Sarah said.
And what is your hobby?
I like to cook.
She said.
Great. Come with me. My friends love food. You can talk to them.
Ken said. He led Sarah to the group.
Hey guys, this is Sarah. She is a nurse and she is a great cook.
Chapter 6. Walking Home. At 9 p.m., the meeting finished. Ken walked out of the green door. The night air was cool. He walked to the train station. He felt different. 3 hours ago, he was a scared boy standing on the sidewalk. Now, he was a man who could speak English. He made friends. He ordered a drink. He even helped Sarah. He looked up at the moon and smiled.
My name is Ken, and I am confident.
He said to the empty street. Ken was not afraid anymore. He was ready for his next adventure. Did you see that? Ken was nervous, but he used a simple plan to succeed. Let's review the 4 magic steps Ken used. You can use these steps tomorrow. The greeting. Say hello and nice to meet you. The basics. Say, I am from country and I am a job. The connection. Ask a question like, what do you do? The hobby. Talk about what you love. Say, I like to... And remember Ken's secret weapon? If you don't understand, just ask. Could you speak slowly, please? Now, I have homework for you. I want you to be brave like Ken. Please write a comment below and introduce yourself. Tell me, what is your name? Where are you from? What is one hobby you like? I promise to read your comments. If you enjoyed this story, please hit the like button and subscribe to English for Beginners. We have a new story for you next lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.